How to redeem Buffalo Wild Wings points. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Buffalo Wild Wings points. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Buffalo Wild Wings, known affectionately as B-Dubs, rolled out a pilot loyalty program in selected markets across the US. To reward customers for being loyal, Buffalo Wild Wings offers the exchange of accumulated points for guests, choice of a treat from their online roster. So now to redeem a coupon offer, make sure that you are eligible for this offer. Now, log yourself into your account on the BWW mobile app or website. Now, go to Wild Herd Rewards and select the active coupon offer you want to use. If you want to use it for dine-in, select the offer and then click on Redeem Reward. Now, select the restaurant that you are dining in and further enter the reward details are shown together with the coupon barcode. Ask for the restaurant crew to scan the coupon barcode. Upon successful scanning, the coupon offer will be applied to your total bill. And for delivery or pick-up, select the offer and click on Redeem Reward. Now select the restaurant that you are going to dine into, and further reward details will be shown with the coupon code. Simply, upon successful validation, promo code will be applied to your bill. So, this is how you can redeem Buffalo Wild Wings points. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and make sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.